Hey guys, I just wanted to make this video so you know if you're contemplating buying a 2.5 inch universal intercooler kit from eBay, piping kit for like $100, free 4-day shipping. So you know what you get. This is like 20 feet of pipe total. I just laid it out all on my engine here. I'm really happy with it. It's like the best $100 I've spent in a while. You know, these are pretty big. Total, yeah, about 20 feet total. Each of these pieces is like 2 feet, give or take, you know. You get a bunch of fittings. Oh, here's another piece too. A couple elbows. In this kit, I bought, a couple elbows, a few fittings. And these clamps are really, really good, actually. They look really good. I don't know how easy they strip out, but they look stainless, you know. So, oh yeah, here's some more clamps too. The silicone, this can definitely handle some boost pressure. You know, it's the thinner stuff, but I'm happy with it. For $100, you get, all these pipes. The bends are perfect. Really nice and smooth on the inside. You can barely see that, I'm sorry. But the only thing you might want to do is take a little sander and go around the inside, you know, where they manufactured them, where they pinch this thing into it. Sometimes they're a little rough on the inside, but just at the ends, you know, other than that, it's really smooth at the inside. But yeah, I got enough here to circumnavigate the engine like 12 times and come out the bumper and whatever. Go into the passenger cab and, you know, come out the hood, do something obnoxious. So I'm really happy. I shouldn't have to buy anything else, you know. That's cool. Hope this helps.